Well, I got first coat in here. Still got 2 more grits to go. Did 36. Now I got to do 60 and 100. Got this one done today. It's taking a lot longer than I expected. This floor is in pretty bad shape. Yeah. But I'm going to tell you what. Those tools do a good job at doing the floor and working you. Here to tell you. Anyway, kitchen got done. I'll finish it in the morning, I think. I'm wore out. It's time to cook dinner. Look, we got bottom cabinets in. Trim. Baseboard. Can't see some of it. There's the kitchen floor. No, I'm not using that on the kitchen floor. I don't think it needs it. Anyway. I'm exhausted. I'm wore out. Been going since 7:30. On that, all kinds of stuff. Anyway. Till next time.